In this video, we have to solve a question on maximum likelihood estimator. This is the question given. The lifetime of 4 light bulbs in hours are 1,200, 800, 1,900, and 2,100. And we assume that x, these values, they follow an exponential distribution. So this is the distribution given. We are asked to find the maximum likelihood estimator for lambda. Solution. We'll still pass through the normal process in solving for maximum likelihood estimators. So if we are given f of x to be equal to lambda exponential negative x, the first thing to do is to take the likelihood function. So we say take the likelihood. Take the likelihood function. So if you take the likelihood function of this, you have f of x lambda to be equal to the likelihood function will be equal to the product sum of f of x lambda, which is equal to the product sum as I run from 1 to n of the given distribution negative lambda x. Of course, if we take the likelihood function, which is, or we take the product sum, we have this means 1 exponential negative x1 multiplied by lambda 2 exponential negative x2 multiplied by we get lambda n exponential negative lambda xi. So our likelihood function will be equal to lambda n exponential negative lambda summation of xi as I running from 1 to n. Now, our n is equal to 4. Our xi's values is 1,200, 800, 1,900, and 2,100. So these are our xi values, the values that are given. Now, this is our likelihood function. These are our xi values. This is the number of observation. So it then means that our likelihood function will be equal to lambda raised to the power of 4 exponential negative lambda multiplied by summation of as I running from 1 to 4 xi's. So this is what we get, which is the same thing as lambda raised to the power of 4 exponential negative lambda x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. So this is what we get. Now, we move over to this side of the board. We move over to this side of the board. We leave the equation. We are asked to find the maximum likelihood of lambda. Okay. We have it already. Now, if our xi's value is equal to 1,200, 800, 1,900, and 2,100. It then means that summation of SIs as I running from 1 to n will be 1,200 plus 800 plus 1,900 plus 2,100. Plus 2,100, which is equal to 1,200 plus 800 plus 1,900 plus 2,100. Get 6,000. So it's equal to 6,000. That means that we can now write our likelihood function to be lambda raised to the power of 4 exponential negative 6,000 lambda. So the next thing to do for maximum likelihood estimator, the next thing to do is to take the log. So taking the log or taking the logarithm, we get ln 4 ln lambda minus, because of this sign, we have 6,000 lambda. So this is what we get. Now, the next thing to do from maximum likelihood estimation, after taking the log, we differentiate with respect to lambda because we are asked to find the estimate of lambda. So we now say differentiate with respect to lambda. So we differentiate with respect to lambda. It means we move over to this side of the board. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So if we differentiate this, we'll have the differential, the likelihood function all over the lambda to be equal to 4 all over lambda minus, if we differentiate this, we get 6,000. So from maximum likelihood, after differentiating, the next thing to do is to equate to 0. So we say equate to 0. What are we equating to 0? What we have differentiated. So we have 4 all over lambda to be minus 6,000 is equal to 0. So we have 4 all over lambda to be equal to 6,000. It then means that 1 all over lambda is equal to 6,000 all over 4. So we've not gotten our estimate first. This is exponential distribution. So we move over to this side of the board to do that. Since we have differentiated, equates to 0, and equated to 0, we got this 1 all over this. So what is our lambda estimate? We move over to this side of the board to do that. Our lambda estimates for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Our lambda estimates will be lambda estimates will now be equal to 4 all over 6,000. And if we use our calculator to do that, 4 divided by 6,000, we get our lambda estimate to be equal to 1 all over 1,500. So that is what we get. That is what we get. We can also put it as our, if we remember, we got from our normal distribution, we got it as 1 over mu. So the same thing is applicable here. Our lambda estimate, as we are asked to estimate lambda, so the maximum likelihood estimator for lambda is 1,500. So 1,500, 1 all over 1,500 becomes our answer. So this is how we can compute the maximum likelihood estimator if we are given such type of question that involves data. We still pass through the normal procedure for finding the estimate using maximum likelihood estimator. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.